Yeah, I hope now I'm audible. I'm so sorry I took your time. There was
Perfect, dear.
some
Perfect,
network
perfect,
problem, isliye.
perfect.
So first of all, I would like to thank Sushila ji who introduced me to this divine Healy device that actually transformed a lot things in my life. तो सबसे पहले I would like to start when I thought of buying this device when my husband he was detected with dengue. So he was hospitalized for 8 days. And in between, it happened to meet with Sushila ji, and she told me about all this device. And also, उन्होंने distance healing किया था. I was like, कि नहीं आप distance healing करो, कुछ समझ आया, कुछ फर्क दिखेगा तो I will buy it. And that's where I thought of कि नहीं फर्क तो लग रहा है एंड एज सुन एज लाइक डेंगू की वजह से उनका प्लेटलेट्स बहुत ही कम हो गया था इट वेंट टिल 8,000 एंड इवन आफ्टर 3 ट्रांसफ्यूजन प्लेटलेट्स राइज नहीं हो रहे थे एंड दैट्स वेयर व्हेन आई मेट अगेन विद सुशीला जी आई कॉल्ड अप कि ऐसा ऐसा केस है शी स्टार्टेड गिविंग द हीलिंग डिस्टेंस हीलिंग एंड देन थोड़ा थोड़ा फर्क आया ट्रांसफ्यूजन के बाद स्टीरॉइड्स देना पड़ा एंड ऑल दैट हैड हैपेंड फिर घर पे आने के बाद वी हैड टू मॉनिटर द प्लेटलेट्स टू राइज सो एवरी वीक देर वाज अ टेस्ट सो फर्स्ट टेस्ट जब घर पे आने के बाद हुआ ऑल द पैरामीटर्स ऑफ लाइक यू नो कोलेस्ट्रॉल लीवर एंड ऑल एवरीथिंग वाज like boosted high. So it was again a worry, and that's where I thought of taking this because my family, my husband, my family members are more important than what, like you know, मैं पैसे के बारे में सोचूं. Better I will think about this because anyways मैं वो hospital में 2 लाख रुपया तो हो ही गया था. So ठीक है, that was the first thing I thought about my family, and also I had a like my husband and family they have a history of paralytic attacks. Every each and every one in my family, like you know, whether it's dad, his sister, bua, everything, everybody had got that. So that was again a worry for me, and I that's where I thought कि चलो मैं ये लेती हूँ, at least I can prevent that for my family. And this is where, and thank you so much Sushila ji for introducing me. And again बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, but I would like to mention 3 4 items, I mean 3 4 things which is really changed. So I when I talk about my husband, he's at all India level post पे big four firm में करते हैं. You everybody knows that थोड़ा stress level तो होता ही है. So I know as soon as I get to know कि he's stressed and all, I फटाफट जाके मैं backflower का कर देती हूँ आधे घंटे के लिए and he's all fine. So it's a very good thing for me. और because I think कि जो mental stress की वजह से ही अपने बाकी organ of our body damages. So this is the first point, we should always prevent doing it. So this was the thing. The second, I will be very crisp because there are so many lot of things I can share. So my brother, he used to be like, you know, COVID के बाद उसको anxiety बहुत हुआ करती थी. So I used that back floor also, and now he's very much transformed. He started with his like into his positive thoughts, so he's very I mean a transformation मुझे दिख रहा है उसमें. The next I would talk about one of my brother which for which I'm doing the distance healing. He had a lot of challenges in his business, and due to that he was had a sleepless nights since 3 to 4 months. So I could not see that. He was my own brother, and that's the reason I thought I will do it for him. And you won't believe it, just in a month I had seen the changes, that he started sleeping properly at nights, and also the business challenges which he had are sorting out धीरे धीरे gradually it is coming down, and he has got a lot of new ideas where he is pitching his new businesses, and that is you know दिख रहा है सामने कि ये सक्सेस होने जा रहा है. And he always tells, he started telling me कि नहीं दिख रहा है मेरे को changes and all. So I would like to really thank this for the Healy device which has come in my life. So the
थैंक यू
next
सो
those are
मच.
things I think
हाँ बोलिए बोलिए,
things है.
कंटिन्यू.
ओके ठीक है, काफी सारी चीजें हैं जो मैं डिस्टेंस हीलिंग करती हूँ. रिलेशनशिप कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स के लिए भी मैं कर रही हूँ. दैट देयर इज आल्सो सम पॉजिटिव चेंजेस आई कैन सी. एक चीज आई वुड लाइक टू से, एक दिन ऐसा ही कुछ बहुत टायरिंग लग रहा था एंड ऑल. सो व्हाट आई डिड इज गोल साइकिल रात को चला लिया. सो आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग दैट बिकॉज सबको शायद पता चले ये चीज व्हाट आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस. रात को चला लिया थिंकिंग दैट कि मैं थोड़ा सा स्ट्रेस नॉट स्ट्रेस टायर्ड हूँ ये हूँ तो आई वुड बी रिलीव्ड, बट उस रात मेरे को नींद ही नहीं आई. देन आई थॉट व्हाट डिड आई डू, फिर ध्यान आया अरे गोल साइकिल रात को चला लिया शायद इसलिए एनर्जी ज्यादा आ गई एंड आई एम नॉट गेटिंग द स्लीप. So that is I one thing what I wanted to share. Also बैक फ्लावर बहुत सारा अच्छा काम कर रहा है मेरे लिए. That is the wonderful